Hi there, I'm Renee Fuentes and welcome back to my channel, Thai Caliente, where you can find easy and healthy versions of your favorite Thai and Mexican recipes. All right, you guys, today I'm going to share a very popular and delicious recipe for Carne Asada Tacos. You can pretty much find them at any Mexican street cart. And today I'm going to be sharing an easy version because we're actually not going to marinate it. So that sounds a little bit controversial, but let me give you kind of the science behind it. So I'm actually going to be using a more expensive cut of meat, so a sirloin steak or a New York strip or a top sirloin. And I'm just going to cut it into little cubes and then cook it on the grill on a flat top with just some oil, salt, and pepper. And I promise you it's going to turn out delicious. So the reason why carne asada is traditionally marinated is because it normally uses a cheaper cut of beef, such as a flank steak, and that needs to be marinated to kind of help break down the beef, give it flavor, as well as make it softer and easier to chew. So for the best carne asada, we need to start on the grill. So let's go ahead and hop outside.
So I have 2 pounds of sirloin steak that I've diced with oil and added salt and pepper. And then we're just going to add it to a cast iron skillet over a hot grill. And you can go ahead and hear that meat sizzle. So go ahead and just move it around to get every side cooked evenly. And it doesn't need to be fully cooked, but whatever your preference is typically for steak. Since we are doing a no marinade carne asada, the cast iron definitely helps impart a lot of flavor as well as give each piece of the diced steak kind of a crust and flavor to it. So it looks really good. All right, so I have all of my ingredients here. We're going to start with the cooked carne asada that we just made. I am going to be using the homemade corn tortillas that I have in my previous video. So go ahead and layer on some carne asada, and then I'm going to top it with some Peruvian beans, which I will also link the video for you guys. And then I am doing a healthy dose of Salsa Verde, which I also have a homemade recipe for Salsa Verde. And a little bit of cilantro for some brightness, and then I'm going to top it off with some sliced radishes.
All right, friends, how easy were those carne asada tacos? Now, I cannot wait to dig in. It smells so good. Just gonna give a little squeeze of lime and ready to dive in. The steak is cooked perfectly. The salsa has a nice little kick to it. The cilantro, the beans, so good. I guarantee your family will love this for your next taco night. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Be sure to tune in next time for a new video. And if you didn't catch my video on how to make homemade corn tortillas, go ahead and check that out, as well as my Instant Pot Peruvian beans. See you later. Bye.